What's up, flowmies? Liora here, bringing you hula hooping tutorials from all the way around the world on the Unite the World Firsthand movement. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I've brought to you a hula hooping tutorial composed of tricks that I've taught all on the Sacred Flow Art channel. So if you don't know how to do any of these tricks, just head over to that channel. I'll provide links at the bottom of the video and you can learn those tricks and then come back here and put them all together in this combo. Let's get started. First, we have a palm spin. Then we bring the hula hoop all the way over, fold it once into the basic isolation. 2 isolations, then we do the isolation variation, spinning your body in 360 degrees, moving directly into a vertical isolation for 2 beats, 1 beat along the opposite side, and back to the palm spin. This is a repetitive combo, so you can keep them going over and over and over. Thanks for tuning in today. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and stay tuned for more as I'm going to be continuing to travel around the world, learning different languages, learning new tricks, so you can grow with me. Peace and have a blessed day.